Oh my god, look at her paws. Very big for 7 months. Wake up, baby. Wake up, baby. She loves to sleep. That's why she's getting big. Oops. Shall I wake her up?
Sorry?
Wake up, baby. Hmm? We're trying to wake her up because it's still early in the night, and she'll be what you call it? She'll be up all night. Oh, you'll be up all night, aren't you? She's gonna keep us awake all night if she sleep now. Oh dear. She's 7 months old. Thank you, guys. Oh. Oh. Look how big her paws are. Let's see. Oh, baby. Good night. She's really tired. Have she been out for a walk?
No.
No? Oh, how come you're so tired, baby? Look how big she is for a 7 months old puppy. She's only a pup.
The birds were soaring on the furrows. At our height, there was there. That is high. That is high. Every area you look for what there is. What's happening in the sea? What's happening with the building? Hey? Serious.
Guys going to join a gang of bricklayers erecting a Bruce block wall.
So lads were really heavy. And they was letting me lay the gobbo, letting me lay the bricks, tap them down. Yeah. They was letting me get stuck in with spot. And your name is Reynolds. Reynolds, yeah, I'm Guy. Good to meet you.
Brennan and the other bricklayers are from the poor East India state of Bihar. They travel around